Okay, YouTube, this is my last video for today. This is number 3. I'm going to do a little addict update. I've got a few kits here that I got. Thought I'd share them with the crowd. So let's get this party started. I've got this Holloway trailer. Had to add that to the old stash. Got the Lowboy construction bulldozer. I got the trailer and I got the bulldozer separate. Well, now I got them in one box. I think I showed this before, but it's so cool I'm going to show it again. The Iron Maiden Spitfire. I probably never built it, but I got it. What else? We got the Ming Fokker. That's the only reason I bought it, so I could say that. Faulkner. I cracked myself up. Jeez. But anyway, that's a cool kit. Let me see. These are a couple buys that you buy on eBay late at night. The U.S. Reliant. Box is a little tattered, so hopefully everything is good to go. The Star Trek anniversary set. I don't know. I think you get all 3 of them. I don't know. The box has been open, but I didn't look in there. Then I got this bad boy over here. I don't know how you pronounce that. Exor. But anyway, I got him too. Those are very cheap. I got the Scarab. I like that kit. I'm going to build it. It's a very simple kit. There ain't many parts to it. Got the Belvedere. Of course, you know, that's just a new release. I hate spiders, but I had to have it. Awesome kit there. Huge tarantula diorama. I got the 007. I got the, where is it? I got this. There. I got to get the, what do you call it? The Mustang. I got to get them yet. I got 2 of these Moonrakers. There's the other one down there. I got the Galaxy Quest. I like that show. So that's why I had to have the model. This was cool. You know, farmer at heart, and hey, it's a tractor, even though it's a Russian tractor. PT, the new PT-109 torpedo boat. Oh, there it is. Had to grab that also. All right, I do have more. I got another Mustang there. I got to use Hindenburg. So, Fruhofer Coca-Cola. And I got another blimp down there. Been on a blimp roll. Let me see. I think that's about it, guys. I got some more, but it's just the standard stuff. You know, like the Ford, the Deserter, this, you know, I got a couple Chevelles. Got a couple Plymouths. Plymouths. Got the OGTO. What else? Supernatural. Got a couple of them. And I think that, well, I got the Fast and Furious. And let me see. I think that's about it for this update. I'll probably think of something else that I forgot. But, oh, I know what I got. I got the Huey gunship. Oh, sorry for that really fast movement, guys. I got the Huey gunship. Got that yesterday. Alright, well, I'll tell you what. This is a 4-minute video that I never do. I'm sorry for the length. Big Eddie, an addict update. Peace!